Hey guys, in this video I want to prove to you that the photos you saw trending online on the African richest man Dangote is not really him. Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Happenings. Have we been? Has our week been? Hope we've been having a really great time. Please, if you're new to this channel, why not take out your time now to hit the red subscribe button below. Also, you can hit the push notification button below so that you can get amazing updates from this channel. You can also drop your comments after this video. If you have any reaction to this video, drop it in the comment section so that we get back to you. All right, let's get to the business of the day. Now, there has been a lot of trends since yesterday on the Africa richest man and the richest black man on earth at the moment, Alikp Dangote, that he has been involved with three ladies in the past. The trend started with a lady called Bay Lewis who said they were dating in the past, but Dangote actually broke her heart in the process. She shared the moments they had. She shared the Valentine card she got for him on Valentine's Day. She shared so many moments they shared together, saying what else can she give the richest man in on earth. But another Twitter user came out and proved her wrong, and I'll be sharing in a few minutes this particular post that they posted, because she actually brought a proof of a photo they took together. She brought out the photo where she took with Dangote. Then other ladies joined in the process to post and other videos about them with Dangote. So I'll share the photo now that she shared, then I'll share the other photo, which is the real photo, to the one she shared. Then you will compare. If you feel any distortion, please put it in the comment section. We'll get back to you. Now, here's another proof that it might not be Dangote in that video and photos that they shared. Now, this trend came out where she posted this particular photo of Dangote, and this was just trending in Nigeria alone as at yesterday being the 1st of January. It wasn't trending worldwide because all around US trend, it wasn't trending there. And the Bay Lewis was actually she's actually residing in Atlanta, Georgia, USA. So the other lady that came out to actually post a video of Dangote wasn't the coincidence that they are aware of each other is very slim. So I saw a message where she actually called that other lady out and say, okay, they are sisters in this, which means there might be a link between the two ladies. It's very possible that it's just one person in that scenario. Maybe it's just one person impersonating the richest man in Africa. So there is a high possibility that it is a cult, but it could be that they are different ladies though. Later on, there was another chat. I'll share it now. There was another chat which was shared by the third lady who said Aliko Dangote sent her a message, and according to her, the number was saved as Big Sugar Daddy Aliko Dangote. So it was just awkward that I could see the chat and it was looking really photoshopped, and many people took that as part of the proofs to prove that it was him sending that message. I believe that Dangote is smarter than that. He won't just go out in public and start replying the other side chick when he was in the whole picture. I feel at this point in time he will be silent about most of these things, not that immediately he will go back and say she's lying about him, she's trying to chase clouds and all that. I feel there's still a loophole in the story, and with time I'll keep on revealing more as they keep unveiling. Okay guys, thank you for sticking with me. If you're new to this channel and you've not hit the red subscribe button below, please do so now by hitting the red subscribe button below. Also, the push notification button is just by the side of the subscribe button. You can also hit that so that you get amazing updates from this channel. I hope to see you soon guys. Have a great day.